I am Dr. Sadaf Farid from English section, Women's College, Aligarh Muslim University. The assignment given to us as the participants of the subject refresher course is sharing our views about what will I do for achieving academic excellence at my institution. Well friends, academic excellence on the part of a teacher involves two constituents, the teacher and his or her students. A teacher has a unique and very important role in the life of his or her students. Their relation is not time-bound and limited within the boundaries of the school or college. Therefore, as a teacher, I always focus on creating a bond with my students so that they would not hesitate in bringing their problems to me. My first step is always towards discovering the average level of students' competence, because after understanding their capabilities, a teacher can impart the knowledge in a much better way. We know that the competence level of all the students in a classroom is not the same. So next step is to pitch my lecture initially at a level where I can take the last student along. Every student has his or her pace of learning. So I would try to design my lecture in a way so as to involve each and every student of my class. Then I would move to the higher level by putting in more efforts and bigger gamut of knowledge into my lectures. Being a teacher of English, I always try to go beyond the text. In future also, I would try to bring in a comparative analysis of the text wherever possible and make teaching learning more interactive. As a teacher, I would also try to use innovative methods and technology in my classroom so as to retain the attention of my students. In the present time, when the classes are online, I use Google Classroom, Google Meet, Zoom and other platforms as per the requirement of the class. As a teacher, I always take everyone along. I believe this is an important step towards excellence. I ensure student participation by asking some questions and also by repeating some points. Then the other step towards excellence is to set up extra challenging objectives for those who are better so as to keep their motivations higher too. This two-toned teaching strategy needs extra work on the part of the teacher and maybe extra work outside the class. Therefore, I would put extra efforts to bring in more knowledgeable thoughts and ideas for my students. Though this would need some extra hours of work, but it would be worth the while because everyone in the class, from the weakest to the strongest, would feel the improvement in their competence. And there is a third element too. That is the institution. The physical and academic environment provided to both the teachers and the students plays an important role. The institution creates a positivity in the teachers as well as in the students. It gives them a sense of belongingness and an identity. We are recognized by the name of our institution. Thus, we can say that an institution is equally important to achieve academic excellence, as it provides opportunities to teachers to work and polish their capabilities. I feel that academic excellence cannot be achieved by a teacher in a vacuum. The secret of academic excellence is inclusiveness. Thank you so much. Have a nice day ahead.